All right, Mama.
Hey guys, we're here at African Bites in Red Bank Plains, I believe.
Yeah.
We're going to try some beef pies.
They look like Jamaican
Beef
patties,
patties.
but it's Ghanian.
Ghanian from Ghana.
Yeah.
So Dad, I'll give it to you to try.
Look like the people will like go.
Mango
Yes,
ice
a
cream.
mango ice cream.
The famous
Nice.
ice cream.
Oh wait, hold up, we got food coming.
All right, guys. So we're about to eat with our hands. So we'll be using the hands as utensils.
Yeah. So this is jollof rice and plantain, beef stew, chicken stew. And yeah, if we want something else, we'll order it later.
Yeah.
Okay, take the dummy out of her mouth. We can. All right, let's give her the
Yeah.
ocean. Sit down.
Sit, Mama. Sit, Mama. Sit down, Mama.
Sit
Yeah.
down. Sit
and
down,
eat.
Mummy.
Eat. Ocean. Hold. Yeah.
It's different. Nice.
Good. Nice flavor. Just like even curry in it. Like a bit of curry. It's really good.
Very good. All right, let's eat. So we just finished eating at African Bites, and if you're over here in Brisbane, guys, they're really nice. They're in Red Bank, so look them up. They're really nice food. Hey babe, what do you got to say? It's my second time trying it. I came here before when I came up here.
It was good.
But it was babe's first time, so yeah, it was great. It was really good.
Yeah.
We're so full right now. I could just go to bed.
Over eat.
Yeah, we did. All right, Dad, here. Yeah. Now we're at the markets. We just come to get some
Yeah, we're late anyway,
stuff. Yeah, we're a little bit late. So
it's
we're
closing. Anyway, let's see.
Just
We found some sour sop.
sour sauce.
It's been a while since we had any of
It's
this.
been a long time, but they're
Yeah.
not that ripe at the moment.
Yeah, but them full.
But they're full
Yeah, so put them to ripe.
to ripe. Okay, we'll go find a bin over there.
Yeah.
Watch where you put your hands.
Let's
and
get two of them.
they have jackfruit there. Look how big the jackfruits are right there. So
Yeah. It's in here we pay.
yeah, in there.
Yeah, I'm trying to take off this
Yeah,
stem.
take that off that because they weigh. But
Trying to
also
scam
they
the
have
weight, huh?
light cheese and stuff as well, guys. They have like
Oh, yeah.
light cheese. They're cheaper ones are $10 a kilo.
Yeah.
These mangoes, these are the ones that Babe likes. They're actually probably the favourite ones of his.
Yeah. Similar to a long mango, what we call in
Oh,
Jamaica.
yeah. All right,
Those
cool.
almost look like apple, eh?
Yeah, what are they? Yeah.
They almost look
yes,
like-
they are.
But it's a
Yeah.
different version. It's
But
not
it's a
the,
different, yeah, it is.
They
It's
look
so
like
true.
what we call OTET apple. That's what they kind of look like.
What's that, guys? Have a look.
Yeah.
Interesting.
What's the name here? Mar?
Yeah, Mar. More mangoes. Yeah, it's smelly here, baby.
Yeah.
All right, we'll pay for them.
Yeah.
Or we'll walk down a bit further. Maybe
Yeah.
they have a cheaper ones. Come on.
Pineapple. Back at Inala. If you haven't seen before, this is a place we've been. It's a big market here in
In
Brisbane.
Yeah. Okay, these are $2.99 each. They're much more cheaper than the other ones. You got the red callaloo over there.
Yeah.
These ones, baby.
Yeah, we get.
Look, babe, they sell the small jackfruits.
Oh, okay.
Well, baby, you choose them because I don't know, and then I'll go pay for them.
Sometimes we get it wrong either way.
Mom,
Yeah.
can we get that like I said up there?
No,
Why?
because we're not here for toys. You already got
How
Christmas.
many we get them?
Just two.
Mom, can you buy me toys?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Still?
What's it?
Look how little these jackfruits are, though, guys.
This on cart.
They're very small. How much are they? $3.99 a kilo.
There's a monster. We better run.
No thanks. Yeah, thank you.
Is that real Superman?
How much did he charge you?
$6.
$6.
Real Superman.
They're $3.99 a kilo.
He is the real Superman.
But they're babies, eh?
Yeah, I wonder what they use those for.
Yeah, they must use them for
Yeah, for
something
cooking
else.
or something.
Yeah.
It's different cultures
This is
do
us. Oh, sorry.
different cultures do different things.
Yeah. Come on.
Like even with the breadfruit, they use the younger
Sugar cane
breadfruit.
juice here.
Oh, I would love
Gosh,
some, but
guys.
I'm too full.
No, I would love to. Too full from the food. But I was
too
thinking,
full.
how nice would it be to get a machine like that, guys?
For sure. Because we have cane at home as well.
Yeah, literally.
Oh, look at these ones. They even look more pretty, eh? But these are for $7
Oranges, yeah.
because they're
a bit
bigger. Yeah. Oh, they got plantain over there.
Honestly, I like coming to these markets, eh?
Eh?
I like coming to these markets.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's always good.
Maybe.
Look at this. We're at Phap Guang Temple. I was struggling with that.
Oh God, guys, it's been adventurous today.
I tell you,
We always, with the island family, we always be doing adventures, you know,
yeah, man.
going around and doing things and keeping busy
In
on
1
these
kilometre, at the
holidays.
roundabout, take the third exit towards Brisbane Airport.
The good thing is like Brisbane's not far from home, but sometimes the drive can be a bit much during the you know, the course of the day, and we do a lot of things, so we get
Stay in the
tired.
2 lanes.
Yeah.
So we decided we're going to stay in Brisbane. So why not?
Yeah.
Enjoy it while we're here.
And we just been sightseeing, looking at all the trees. And
So many.
almost every yard that we pass have jackfruit
Yeah.
or soursop and mango. Just crazy.
And I was saying to babe, they have to grow in our side of New South Wales.
For sure.
And if they don't grow, we'll have to come and live up this way.
I swear. Get more tropical.
Literally, get more tropical for real. Brisbane is generally more hot
Yeah.
than
At the roundabout, take the third exit towards Brisbane Airport.
New South Wales. It's
Right,
more
to
tropical
merge onto
here.
Ipswich motorway towards
True.
Brisbane Airport.
But the weather today is lovely, guys. The weather is absolutely beautiful.
It's not so hot as New South Wales.
Yeah, today it's not. Generally, it's more muggy and sticky out here. But to be honest, yeah, it's
More cool.
been good. It's been nice.
For
It's
sure.
been a good weather. So now we're going to go to our hotel that we
Use the
booked.
right 2 lanes to keep right to merge onto Ipswich motorway towards Brisbane Airport.
Let's go.
Oh, Brisbane Airport. Let's go.
Tomorrow, family fun.
Yeah.
Bring the kids there.
Getting on the highway. Made it to our Airbnb or our hotel, whichever you want to call
Hey,
it.
Dad, can I tell the people something? So, this place looks like where my mum been born with Ocean.
Oh, is that a hospital to you?
Yeah, it looks
Wow.
like this sign
Okay.
where we sit. The place.
Oh, you're gonna watch TV, huh?
I'm gonna check out the view.
Yeah. This is where we're staying. Oh, nice view.
I need to go pee.
Then go pee, mister.
Where's the bathroom?
This is the other bedroom. Give you guys some light. Really nice. The bathroom in there. Island doing a pee. Ocean, what are you doing with remotes? What are you doing with the remotes?
Dad.
Hmm?
Rain.
Trying to turn the TV on?
Okay.
Why, you want to watch cartoon? Go outside and see what's happening. Oh, there's so much space out here. We're on the 28th floor.
I'm scared.
Yeah, I hate heights. Oh my god, that's actually probably the highest I've ever been, I'm not gonna lie. 28th floor, this is probably my highest so far. Oh my goodness. Anytime I'm up so high, my feet tickles. Island, get down, don't you dare do that. That's a boat down there. Is that the ferries?
No, the ferry is that one over there.
Oh yeah.
So she said we walk down the rail ramp there and then walk to the next ferry.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. I can see the park.
Zooming it in for you guys.
I can see the car.
My legs are so weak right now, just even being here with the kids.
Yeah.
Mama, you can see
Go
the
close up
park.
it gets it.
Mama, I can see the park right there.
Ocean, please. Island, please stay away from the edge, please.
Yeah, but look at the park. I can see it right there.
Yeah. You can see the park. There's another building that's tall
It's
too.
actually, if you look on what I'm getting.
I wonder how further up more it goes. I can't even see.
Dad,
Oh shit, it goes way up more.
Daddy,
Oh my god, yes.
I can see camera up there.
Yeah. That reflection though, it's hitting.
The security camera
Oi.
is not looking at me. What the hell? The security camera was looking at me.
Give you all a zoom in on the city. You see the highway over there? More closer. Gets a bit blurry. Oh yeah.
Looking at me. Gail.
We're gonna catch one of those tonight. Alright, so show you all the bathroom. In here, you can do your laundry as well. Your iron board, your dryer, your bathroom for shower, and everything, and to do your business. And this, so it's a 2-bedroom, it's not 3. So, and it's $300 per night. And obviously it's in the city, and this is what you get. You know what I mean? When you're in the city, it's obviously more expensive because it's easy access to everything. So it's kind of what's expected. And I mean, it's high season, it's Christmas. I mean, it's after Christmas. So yeah, New Year's coming up. We got our fridge here. Is there any complimentary? Only a box of milk.
Tea and coffee.
Tea and coffee. There you go. On your stove, 4-burner. Got the oven.
So you staying with the kids and I'll go down?
Yeah, no problem. Got all your plates and cups and everything in here. Voila.
Island, get ready. You want to go for a swim? When I come back, I'm going to go park the car.
Microwave
and
there.
when I come back, you can...
Utensils, things like that. Alright, and it has a pool. You can have a swim. Ocean, no. Give it to me. Not in the mouth. Time to go to the pool.
Time to go for a swim.
Swim. Hi, Mama. Ocean. Swimming time?
Yeah.
Oh, it feels weird.
Nine,
What are we? 7?
6, 7. Whoa.
Not really. No, it's not really cool. Ocean.
Yeah, let me take her hat off.
This is where we at. It's actually really cold. Don't even know if I want to go for a swim, eh? What do you mean?
Dad's gonna jump in. Oh, that's frightening my eyes. Cold? Don't do that. Yucky, mummy. You want to jump in with Dad? Go with Dada. Go with Dada. Go. Jump. Whee! She's cold. She's cold. She's cold. Everyone, look, she's holding on for dear life. She's cold. Hang on. Hang on, darling. Hang on. Stand there for mummy. Stand there for mummy for a minute. Ocean, wait, mummy. I'm going to take Ocean to the spa. Oh, shoot. Here, babe. Just hang it there.
Where? This big swimmer, huh? Little swimmer. Wait, I'm gonna go for a dive. Don't come yet. Careful with that.
What's that glowing thing?
I'm not sure, some alien. Put the toys down and swim properly.
Okay.
Got you. Good job. Big swimmer, huh?
Dad,
Yeah.
stay over there and I'm going to swim too.
Come on. That was good.
Yeah,
Hmm?
that's good.
Yeah. Good job.
Let me see if I can float when I'm doing this. Let go.
Ooh, look at you go. Look at that, no ants. Good job.
I wasn't drowning though.
It is fun.
I want to see that blue thing.
Hold on. What are you doing, boy? What are you doing? You can't even stand here. You want to swim on your own. The first thing you see is Domino Pizza.
Yeah. And that P, it just changed.
Yeah.
P10. $10. I'm going to see if I can swim by myself over there.
This one's much nicer. Is it quite deep there?
Yeah.
Is it deep?
Not
Not too much. Are you right, mister? Come on this
It
side.
gets nice after a while, you're in it.
Yeah?
we are outside and it is nighttime.
Yeah. Nice. Come on.
Alright, let's go. Time to hit the road. So the mission is to go catch a ferry and see what the night brings us. Come on, Island. The hell are you doing, boy? Alright guys, so we're going to Babylon.
Oh. Hey, we've been here before.
Really?
Yeah, that's where you go down to get the wall. And you go down a flight of stairs.
Alright, we're definitely close to the water. I think this is where we catch it. Is it that over there? What's that? Here we are. Ocean.
The gummy bears are really.
Ocean. Noise. Noise. Island, what you having?
Cookies and M&M's and gummy bears, but the gummy bears are really chewy to get.
Oh,
They're really chewy.
Nice.
Hey, baby.
What you got? What's that one?
There's banana chocolate. It's got marshmallows in it and candy.
Oh, nice.
It's been a while.
Look at that.